Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that if I post videos you can get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. I know really you will like this video, so let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the first picture, you can see beautiful picture, you can see the papers and all, and the decoration, the designs and all, and the walls you can see beautiful walls and all, good decoration and design, looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the walls, black color wall and all, beautiful decoration and wall color. The floor also wooden color theme, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, you can see the heart shaped mirror and the curtains and all, you can see beautiful also. You can see very beautiful. You can see the toilet, you can see the red color heart shape and it is beautiful. It's also very beautiful. The olden time telephone is looking very beautiful, very good also. It's looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the rose, red color rose and all, and the white color on the table. You can see beautiful roses and all, very good. This one's very beautiful. You can see the black color bed, you can see the wall, you can see silver color, very beautiful. The lamp also very beautiful. You can see the floor silver color. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the the photo you can see of plant and the lights. You can see the window. It's also very beautiful. You can see the heart shapes, glasses and all, very beautiful. This one very beautiful, very good also. This one's very beautiful. You can see the spray and all, very beautiful. This one the decoration, this also very beautiful. You can see the this was very, you can see the bed, you can see the frame, beautiful frame and all, and the red color. This also very beautiful. You can see the floor, you can see with beautiful mat, very beautiful mat. This also you can see the cotton and all, and the shade and all, very beautiful black color and the red color. You can see lights and all, very beautiful lights. This also very beautiful. You can see the pillow, red color. And this one the red color pillow. It's also very beautiful. You can see the doors. You can keep here anything. You can keep very beautiful. You can see you can keep an expensive thing also, very beautiful. This also you can see the floor, the mat you can see, and the wall you can see the lights and all, and the up lights you can see beautiful. The curtain also you can see very beautiful. This one you can see the floor, you can see the wooden color theme, very beautiful wooden color theme, very good also. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wooden color decoration beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful and expensive videos. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.